All right, we're opening it up. Ooh, Charlie! That looks good. All right, we'll be right back, people. Okay, here we go. Here's the test. Oh yeah, look at that. And that was just a little piece. You ready to eat, babe? Oh, look at that, people. Show it in the camera. Look at that. Taste it. Tell me what you think. Come out okay? Oh yeah. Sugar people, pulled pork in this house. Latino style. All right. We're letting it sit while it cools down, but look at this. Look at that, barely any effort. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's just breaking apart. Putting a fork in it. All right, people. Well, I won't get on there because everything's so soft in there. But look at that. Pulled pork at its best. I don't want to mess with it too much. Oh man, it's delicious. All right, people. All right, people. On that note, make sure you give me your comments on what you think. And check out my YouTube page. You could look for me at Grey Hulk, GREYHULK7. Alright, that's my Grey Hulk Gmail account. But I got a YouTube account by the same name. Look me up, check out my stuff, like it. On that note, one more look. Woo-wee! I can't wait to get to it.